Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. The question says a mixture of 2.3 gram formic acid and 4.5 gram oxalic acid is treated with concentrated H2SO4. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pellets. Weight in gram of the remaining product at STP will be. So we have been given 2.3 gram of formic acid and 4.5 gram of oxalic acid. So if we see, the formic acid formula is HCOOH, and of oxalic acid it is 2COOH, like this. So if we see their atomic mass and the weight given to us, we can tell hereby that both of these are 1 by 20 of their moles. 1 by 20 and 1 by 20. So I could not write the whole equation here, but if we treat formic acid with concentrated HCOOH, we will get CO gas and H2O, and in case of oxalic acid, we would get CO gas and CO2 gas. So we would be having 1 by 20 1 by 20 mole each of CO and 1 by 20 of CO2. But passing through KOH, we would only have CO remaining with us. So this would cancel out because of KOH. So 2 by 20 moles of CO gas. And this would weight 2 by 20 into 28, that is 2.8 grams, which is the third option.